Hey guys, what's up? So tonight is a special night again, so I'm gonna go to watch Cuiabá. So they're going to play against Corinthians here at Pantanal Arena. So it's gonna be my first time to watch the game over there, so I'm very excited. So I've never been to the stadium, so actually it's gonna be really nice to see and to show you guys what the stadium look like. All right, take care. So guys, this is it. Let's get ready to go to Pantanal Arena. It's gonna be my first time, so I'm so excited. So let's have a look, and let's support Cuiabá. So Cuiabá has to win tonight. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, it's been like some minutes that I was flying with the drone, but finally now I'm under the stadium here. Actually, it's an arena, so I'm gonna show you. They're playing right now, so I'm actually excited. Like I told you, it's my first time recording here at Arena Pantanal, but I'm sure Cuiabá is gonna be the winner, so the victory is ours. We're together. There's like the waterfall from Tangará da Serra. Oh, that's really nice. Cara, que lindo que tá o estádio, hein? Lotado. Olha lá, Cuiabá! Vai, Cuiabá! Vai, Cuiabá! E aí, tudo bem com o senhor?
Tudo bem, sempre alegria, um bom futebol para todos aí. Deus abençoe, muita fé. E olha o gol, olha o gol!
Olha o gol de quem? Do Cuiabá!
O Cuiabá, que é o melhor do mundo!
Com certeza, o Cuiabá!
Cuiabá na cabeça!
É nóis, obrigado, valeu!
Todos aí, ó!
Lá vem o Wendel, brigou, ganhou, bateu a bola pro gol, golaço!
Toca no pau e Hey guys, what's up? So this is the end of the first half. We're winning, so we're kicking Corinthians' ass. So 1-0 for us so far. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and we're gonna win this game. So let's pray and play and drink. And the good thing here, they sell beer with alcohol. That's unique. I didn't see that in São Paulo. They don't sell beer with alcohol over there. All right, guys. So since 1976. The José Frazielli Stadium, known as Verdão, has been operating here. So this was an important space for the sport and culture of our state. In 2010, due to the need to host the World Cup, the stadium was demolished and the Arena Pantanal complex was built. So with a total investment of 454 million, the arena now houses several types of sports, as well as the attraction and extensive outdoor leisure area, food and shows that take place here. The main attraction remains football. So there are there were 4 games in a World Cup in 2014, and the games always were the Brazilian and the Mato Grosso Championship. So let's para Brazucas, let's enjoy the night, and let's win this game. So let's kick Corinthians' ass tonight. Voiceless. I can't speak, like it's so hard, but then we won, man. We really won this game. That was really hard for us, but you know I'm a São Paulo supporter, and I was so excited to watch this game, and we did. Hey man. Yeah, so yeah, it was really good. So this game was was a fantastic game for us, and this is my first time here at the stadium, at the arena actually. So my first time, my first game, my first victory.